I'm Tyson Britch, and today we're going to be making Nutella banana puff pastries. All you need for this is granulated sugar, puff pastries, banana, Nutella, an egg. You're going to need this, and you're going to need this. You can find all these at your nearest Walmart or Chief or pretty much any grocery store. So you're going to start off by lightly flouring your surface. These puff pastries should already have flour on them, but you're going to want some more. So first, I like mine really thick, so I put both puff pastries on. Then you're going to roll them together. So you should roll them out until they're about uniform, so it doesn't look like there's two puff pastries there anymore. Alright, so once you get it rolled out, you're going to want to grab an egg. You're just going to put it in a tiny little bowl like this. And now you're going to get a little pastry brush. You're going to get a little bit of egg on there, and you're just going to give it a nice egg wash. This will make it a little golden brown once it's cooked. Okay, so next up, you're going to want to get a little cup of sugar, about a cup, little bowl. Now you're just going to sprinkle about half of it onto the pastry. Okay, now you want to grab a knife and you're going to cut it into 9 squares. So now you're just going to grab your knife, you're going to cut 9 squares. I like mine bigger, so I cut 9. If you want them smaller, you can go 16, anything like that. I like mine to be big. So it's all preference. Yeah. Don't cut too hard, you don't want to go onto your table. So. At this point, you're going to grab your Nutella and a spoon, and you're just going to put about 1 spoonful. I like a lot, so a heaping spoonful. Right in the middle. So now we're going to make it look like a puff pastry. You're going to grab opposite ends and just put it right in the middle and press down a little bit. Pinch to close. You're just going to do that with all of them. So once these are all put together, you're going to put it into an oven that's 400 degrees, so you're going to have to preheat your oven. But before you do that, you're going to give this another egg wash and sprinkle some more sugar on there, and then they'll be ready to go in the oven. You're going to get your baking sheet, line it with parchment paper, and spread these out evenly. Now just for one more light egg wash in each individual one. Once again, it'll give it that golden brown.
I should have moved over there. So I should have moved over there. Because that thing's
Once you got your egg wash, you're going to grab your sugar again. Then you're just going to go a little bit more sugar on each one. And at this point, they should be ready to go. Alright, so at this point, your oven should be preheated to 400 degrees. You're just going to pop these in there for 12 to 15 minutes. Alright, so now you're going to get a little baggie. You're going to put Nutella in it. So it's kind of like a little frosting thing. I'm just gonna put it on there. If only that was chocolate. The banana part, just gonna throw a little piece of banana right in the middle. There you go. Nutella banana puff pastry. Okay. Alright, so at this point, you should have your oven preheated 400 degrees. You're just gonna pop these in there for 12 to 15 minutes. You're gonna have to redo it again.